Whoa, is Beast Boy actually doing the dishes?
Of course not. I don't do dishes. Ha! But these pots sound pretty good, yo. So I'm thinking about starting a dish band. Who's with me?
Ooh, I wish to play the spoons.
I want to be on pots. I'm on jugs and lead vocals.
How about you, Ray Ray?
No, and keep the noise down.
No problem, Mama. You guys ready?
Please, don't practice here.
And a 1, 2, 3.
Step by step is the only conclusion. Day by day we are left in confusion. Bring on the night. Bring on the night. Bring it on, yeah!
You guys always have to be this loud?
No way. We can be louder.
I'd give anything for silence. Whoa, who are you?
I am the Whisperer.
Who?
I am the Whisperer.
Okay, you're gonna have to speak up.
Look, this is as loud as I can speak. Can you hear me now?
I guess, but why do you have to whisper?
Yeah, because I am the Whisperer.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Like you, I prefer the quiet.
It would be nice to have a little peace and quiet, but even my magic's not that strong.
Mine is. I can give you the silence you seek. I only ask for one thing in return.
Well, I don't have a soul if that's what you're after.
It's not your soul I want. It's tummy tickles.
Okay.